Hey, Gideon. What are you doing? You playing with those? Climb over Bella's pillow. Is that Bella barking? Yeah. You talk to her. Say hi, Bella. Oh, say hi, Bella. Say I'm 10 months old. Come on in. I'm holding the door open for you. Bella. Uh-oh. Don't you go out there, mister. Oh, dear. No, you're not. No, you're not. This is the first time he's going out the doggy door. Oh, my gosh. Woo! Got it on video. Gideon, what are you doing out there? What do you think you're doing? That's not for you. Are you so proud of yourself? Yeah. Oh my goodness. You gonna come back in? No, sit out there for a while. Oh dear, I think Mom Beth should go get you.